This wheel and tire kit is the perfect setup for the 2010 to 2014 Mustang owner who wants that performance-packed style and some additional grip for a great price. This kit provides you an excellent balance of affordability and performance, making it a perfect choice for a daily driven car. In this kit, you will receive a set of 4 wheels and tires featuring 20 by 8.5 inch black performance-packed style wheels with a 30mm offset and 255/35 R20 Lionheart LH5 tires. Free mounting and balancing is also included with your purchase. It is worth noting right out of the gate here, this is a square setup, so you have 4 of the same size wheels and tires, meaning that you can rotate these to help extend tire life. In addition to its good looks, this combination will give you plenty of grip as well with the performance-oriented features of the Lionheart LH5s. So you get good tread life, a cool look, and excellent performance, all for one of the best prices in the segment. Now, of course, the wheels are going to be the first thing you notice as they're pretty eye-catching. As the name suggests, these are designed to mimic the style of wheels that you find on 2018 to 2023 S550 GT models that are equipped with the factory performance package. The thin Y-style split spokes here make for a simple but eye-catching appearance, and this set in particular is of course finished off in gloss black, which will look great against any paint color, especially against a dark paint color like this Deep Impact Blue GT that you see behind me. And that gloss black combined with the style add a nice aggressive accent to any build. These do a lot to bring a slightly more modern look to the S197, which I think these cars pull off very well. And where this set in particular differs from the OE spec performance pack wheels is in the sizing. These are 20-inch diameter wheels, so they are an inch bigger than the factory set. And also all 4 wheels here have an 8.5-inch width and a 30mm offset. But that again means that you can rotate these to help improve tire life, as it is a fully square setup. Now this kit will fit on your car even if you have it lowered up to 2 inches without any rubbing or clearance issues, and that is also going to help extend the life of your tires. Speaking of those tires, this kit features a set of 225/35 ZR20 Lionheart LH5s, and these are quite possibly the best kept secret on the market because they are a true performance bargain. Now these are branded as an ultra high performance all-season tire. That means that they can serve as your only set of tires on a Mustang that is driven all year long, and they have all the hallmarks of a solid performance tire. Look at the treads and you'll see large circumferential grooves and deep sipes within the tread blocks that dispel water, debris, and snow, making them plenty capable in adverse conditions. But they also feature an asymmetric tread pattern with large outer shoulder blocks and a wide central rib to give them plenty of grip in the dry. The LH5 also features an advanced heat-resistant silica compound and reinforced sidewall to enhance grip and responsiveness. So these can easily take you from your daily commute to the track and back again, and they're going to be plenty capable in either scenario. However, it is important to keep in mind that these are billed as a true M+S all-season tire, so there is going to be a balance between performance, longevity, and wet grip. Now that compound that we were just talking about is a bit softer than traditional all-seasons, and that's going to give you excellent grip in the dry, as evidenced by the 320 tread wear rating plus the A temperature and traction ratings. So all that to say, the softer compound means that these are going to wear a little bit faster than a traditional, just plain old all-season tire because they are more performance-oriented. So don't expect to get 60,000 miles out of these, especially if you're working them hard. However, they are going to last you a good long while. They're going to last longer than a traditional straight-out performance tire, and they're going to give you plenty of grip to actually drive your car in reasonable conditions. Now, it's also worth noting too, these are an all-season. They are going to grip well in the dry, and they're going to do well in some adverse weather conditions. But if you live in a place that gets a lot of snow or ice, you might want to think about getting a set of winter tires as well to get you through the winter months, because, well, that on a rear-wheel drive car is going to be a lot of fun. These are not going to do as well in ice, so just keep that in mind. All that said though, the performance per dollar really cannot be overstated here. The LH5s also carry a W speed rating, meaning that they are good for up to 168 miles per hour, which should be plenty fast. This kit, as with all of our wheel and tire kits, also includes free mounting and balancing. Now you can either have your wheels and tires mounted and balanced by us, and we will then ship them to you completed and ready to mount, or we'll ship you everything separately and get you set up with an appointment at a local tire shop where they will mount and balance your kit free of charge. When you go to make your purchase, you can also choose to include the correct TPMS sensors. So if you want to get new sensors and just have them ready to go on your car so you don't have that pesky light on your dashboard, you can choose to have that as well. Now those will cost you an additional amount of money, but the installation of them is included in your purchase. The wheels in this kit are made from cast aluminum, meaning that they are all one piece and thus quite strong. Aluminum is also widely used for wheels because of its light weight, so you don't have super heavy wheels slowing you down. This set in particular also features that gloss black powder coating over top that we talked about earlier. Of course, that provides you with additional good looks, but also protection against corrosion, so treat them well and they should last you a good long while. As for the LH5s, well, we talked about most of that already, but again, they're going to feature that all-season rated heat-treated silica compound with the A traction and treadwear ratings and a 320 treadwear rating, in addition to the XL load rating and reinforced sidewalls, the deep sipes, large center rib, and all the other good stuff we talked about earlier. And they come with a 30,000 mile treadwear warranty for additional peace of mind. Now, when it comes to the price, this kit falls very much on the more affordable side of the spectrum, and in fact, it is one of the most affordable wheel and tire kits that we offer for the S197. So if you want something that's going to look good, give you that kind of OEM plus feel, and some additional grip and capability, really, you can't go wrong with this because it's going to give you everything you want, and you're not going to have to spend a bundle to get it. Installation will get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should only take you about 30 minutes to complete. If you've ever changed a tire before, you can do this pretty easily. Now, you will need a floor jack and the proper socket for your impact gun or breaker bar, your wheel lock key if your car is equipped with wheel locks, and of course, a torque wrench. And like I mentioned, it's a simple job, as you'd expect, as these are designed to bolt right onto your car with no modifications needed. That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of this wheel and tire kit with the Performance Pack style wheels and Lionheart LH5 all-season tires, featuring 20 by 8.5 inch wheels with a 30mm offset and 255/35 R20 tire sizes, designed to fit all 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. Thank you so much for watching, and for everything Mustang, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.